Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are doing a review on the
Ram 3500 Cummins Turbo Diesel Heavy Duty. It's a long freaking name.
Yeah.
Fifth wheel from Ertl Big Farm and John Deere. Shout out to Ertl Big Farm because they're a really cool company.
Yeah. I'm gonna leave it off to him.
Okay. So it's a pretty cool model 1/16 scale. You could see here, let me detach that. It has a steering wheel in here. It hooks up to the wheels. And it has lights inside. I'll show you guys that later. Tailgate comes down on the truck. It's got a really detailed interior. As you might see, these seats kind of move. I don't know why. It has the lights.
Like real seats do.
Yeah. And the lights go on. And then it goes a lot longer than that, but I'll just shorten that for you. It's a dually. Okay, I think that might be it for the truck.
Yeah, let's move on to this.
So here's the John Deere. It came with 4 blocks for these on it in a bucket, but there's upstairs my dog would have ran in. So, okay, so here this is. It's a John Deere skid steer. The lights, it sounds too. And the horn.
That is way longer
This
horn.
is the beeper.
Oh yeah.
And the forks here. And it lifts up pretty high. It's just a bit hard to get back down. There we go. And it's cool. It's got the good treads. Kind of
Yeah.
skinny wheels. It's smaller. We'll move on to the trailer now. Pretty big space to haul your
Yeah.
stuff.
For these, it's supposed to be a 40-foot.
I think 40-foot PJ, maybe, I don't know.
Yeah.
But it has the...
If you guys know what a PJ is, please tell us, because we have no clue. Wait, what is it?
It's this. It's a PJ. I don't know what it stands
No,
for.
tell us what it stands for in the comments.
Yeah. It's got the pegs here to go up and down. The dually trailer, which isn't the most realistic. Oh, crap. Sorry. Not the most realistic, a dually
Yeah.
trailer. I don't think it is really for a trailer. It's got these back here that come down.
Yeah.
Our skid steer.
It's
Right
really
up on top.
nice.
And it's got these. You can adjust here. Look. This pallet that goes up there and 3 more of those brakes. And put it on our truck here. Okay, there we go. And okay, and it can load up on our truck here, and we're ready to go. So,
Okay, bye.
thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and
Peace.